Wanna go walking? Ready to go walking? Oh. Come on. Come on. Come on. A little quiet out. Yeah, don't see no tomatoes be picked. Maybe one, small one, that's it. Wonder how my watermelon's doing. Oh, Barkley, trying to look at my watermelons. I hear an airplane somewhere way up there by the tree there. They're flying really slow. Camera probably could catch that though. Let's go. Stop pulling, Barkley. Early this morning I walked in when it was too dark, about like 3 something in the morning, and up on the hill there was a bunch of deers, a herd of deers. Good boy, Barkley, good boy. Didn't have my camera on me though, but probably couldn't catch them in the dark that much anyway. That well. Water's going down. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Still got a couple pairs. Oh, that pair's look bad. The other one don't look too bad. I know Shelly picked one time, and I don't know if she ever tried it. What do you guys see? Oh, the bird? You guys running after a bird? Leave that birdie alone. Man, these bows. Give me a sledgehammer, sit out here and play Pokemon, I want to call it. Let's see. Oh. You gonna do something, Lucy? Do something, Lucy. Do something, Lucy. You're not gonna do nothing? You act like you was. There you go. Good girl, Lucy. Good girl. Yep, that's the way to do it. There you go. Let's go in the house. Come on. Do. Thanks to folks for walking with you. So thank you, folks. We appreciate you. So thank you. Thanks for watching, folks. Until next time. Later.